everybody, and welcome back to Colorful Threads. I am Juliet, and today what we're going to be talking about is a maintenance that's not in your software, but it is something that will need to be done on a regular basis to keep your trimmer functioning properly. So, subscribe if you have not subscribed to my channel for more tips and tricks. Hit the bell so you get all of the notifications for when I do videos. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or if you need a video made for something specific, let me know in the comments below. So the model of machine that we're going to be doing this maintenance on is anything with the needle plate trimmer. So that's going to include your Bernina E16 Pro. It's also going to include the Bravo Gen 2 with the needle plate trimmer. It's going to include, of course, the Summit, which has the needle plate trimmer, and any EMT 16 model machine. So basically daily, you do a maintenance where you're blowing debris out of your hook area. And then I think it's weekly or 20 million maintenance, you have to take off this magnetic piece here and you're blowing this area clean across here. So to get a better view and so that it's easier for you to do this maintenance, when you take this cover off, which I believe is going to be your monthly maintenance, while this cover's off, you can see what's going on down in there. So let me get this cover off so I can kind of point better to what we're going to be doing. And I already took the 3 screws from the back off, so I just have to remove the one last screw up front. But there are 4 that hold this cover on. You're familiar with this part of the maintenance, taking this cover off. This will let us see down in the machine a little better. All right, let me power off. So I have the power off. It's not necessary to have the power on to do this, but you can do it while you have the cover in this position. I just want to be able to move my carriage forward so that we can definitely get in there better to see. All right, so can you see here? This is the part you're going to take off with that little magnets in it, and you take this off and you're blowing stuff back here. However, you are blowing all of that stuff back into this area here. And back here under this black cover is where your sensor and the motor that controls your trimming mechanism are. And so you'll need to regularly blow all this clean so that your sensor doesn't get full of lint and then give you a wrong reading where it stays out and it won't go home. So we're going to take this cover off, and then we're going to move the camera so that we can see down in here. And this is the 3mm Allen wrench, standard wrench that you have in your toolkit, 3mm. The screws are about yay big, but there's 4 of them. 2 in the front and 2 towards the back. I'm gonna get on my knees. All right, got 3. Fell down. Oh, I see it, there it is. 3 and 4. Okay, I got these 4 out. Let me move them over here out of the way. Now this cover comes up and off like this. See, pretty simple. Get that off. So now you're gonna see the rest of this linkage on, is this where we need to move the camera in closer? Maybe I can move it closer and lower it down like this. Will that work? Can you see in there now? Pretty good. We're going to disconnect the camera. So it's flip this lever here, you said? And then it pulls out. Okay. Sorry about the wobblies, but we got to get in there. So down in here, this is where we're looking in here. So there's a little black tab here. This is where your sensor is that tells the linkage that it's home. And then back here's the actual motor mechanism here. And so you can use a rechargeable air duster like this, or you can use a regular canned air like this, but you're gonna go in and clean all this out. See, do a little extra here, clean back where your motor is, get all of that nice and clean. Blow all the debris out. Get this area clean. It's not gonna hurt anything else in the back, but this sensor needs to be kept clean. All right, that's really all of the work. Now it's just a matter of putting it all back together. This direction from front to back. I can't do it. Here. So I mean, really, that's it. We've done the maintenance, and so it's that quick and it's that easy, but it will keep that sensor and that motor area nice and clean. I'm just going to be reassembling this, and I'm going to put this cover back on, and I'm going to go back to working. So just add this one little thing to your quarterly maintenance, and you'll keep it clean. So give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, stop by and see more tips and tricks that will help you keep your machine humming along and embroidering fabulously. That's all for now. See you later. Bye.